Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert image cover in Microsoft Word. So how to insert image cover in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, prepare the cover image that we will insert into Microsoft Word. Next, point the cursor at the text on the top page. Then go to the Layout menu. Tap on the Break menu. And a menu will appear down. Select and tap Next Page to move to page 2. Here you can see the first page that will be inserted into the cover. Next, insert the cover image by tapping the Insert menu. Tap Picture. Tap Insert Device Image. Select the cover image to be inserted. Then tap Insert. Here it is still messy, and even if we move or edit it, it still doesn't work. How do we make the image neat according to the full page? The first way is to change the margin on all sides to 0. Tap Layout. Then tap Margins. Select Custom Margin to change the margin manually. And change the margin on all sides to 0. And tap OK. Next, make sure the margin is 0 by tapping the Home menu. And then tap the sign like the arrow on the screen. Here you can see that the margin is already 0 by looking at the section break. Next, insert the cover image by tapping the Insert menu. Tap Picture. Tap Insert Device Image. Select the cover image to be inserted. Then tap Insert. Here you can see the cover is neat and arranged automatically. So that's it. How to insert image cover in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.